Just a real quick one to keep you updated on the adjustable link project we are working on. As you can see, we have a prototype ready, and that's exactly what we want. There will be some fiddling and some adjusting, but how does it work? Yeah, you just put your link, let's say one side on the skid, one on the other side on the axle. You put it on the exact wheelbase you want, or a pinion angle, because you can have 8 of these links, and when it is the right length you just tighten the screw, and then the link length is set. You can then unbolt it. You can take a ruler or your RPM shock tool and see that this link needs to be like 11 point, maybe put it in the picture, 11.9 millimeters, and then you can make final links. At this moment, what I encounter is I make links and I take them apart, I rebuild them, and I make them again. And sometimes I do that up to 6 times on a build. And I think this will speed up builds. It's really easy if you have the bottom links correct. Use this as upper links, and your pinion angle setting will be really, really quick. We have printed something in, this is nylon with a carbon fiber. As you can see, there is a brass heated M3 insert nut in there. On that position we have just a screw that we tighten in there. That's that. And then on the other side we have a rod end with a 20 millimeter set screw in there. Then that goes in here. That's all. It's just nothing. It's once you have these, yeah, you have them forever. And then there is a aluminium rod, a 4 millimeter rod, again with a rod end on the other side, and this one just slides in. Depending on what you are making, you can yeah, if this one is longer, because the one you see here is usable between about 9 and 13 centimeters. If you make this one longer, the play over here is about 4 centimeters. So if you make this a little bit longer, you can have one that's usable between, let's say, 11 and 15 centimeters, or whatever you need. And yeah, I think this will speed up my builds. Maybe someone else is interested in this also. We will do a little bit more fiddling, a little bit more fine-tuning, and then I think I will put the STL available so everyone can enjoy this. Probably for the shorter links, because this is now limited to 9 centimeters, we will have to shorten up this bit, and then the play will also maybe be only 2 centimeters we can play with, but that is still enough to get fine-tuning on upper or lower front links. So that's all I have for you for now. I hope it was interesting enough, and we always want to keep you updated here on our little Team ReVolt website, YouTube channel, whatever, what have you. So, okay, I have nothing more for you. We will keep you posted. Later.